Hello, my bear. Hi, Chloe. How are you? Hey, guys. Oh, that was a cute little squatty body. Come on, Astrid. You know the drill. Come on. Don't play your games. You're a good girl. Tell me you don't like being pet. You're such a good girl. Go on, join your sisters. Ready, girls? Come here. You are going. Girls, come here. Look, look. It's in here, bear. Hi. Squawk. Chloe. My little... Oh. Squawk. You're a good girl, Chloe. Hi, guys. So as a lot of you know, I deal with constant pain from a car accident. And it's pretty hard to handle sometimes. It's overwhelming. It's hard to see a future when you're always sore. And been talking to a friend who doesn't really have all the support they need, people to talk to, because stuff going on for their pain and their mental health related. It's not something you can really discuss with family because it brings up other issues, etc., etc. So I just wanted to put it out there that if you're suffering from pain, mental health, etc., and you just want somebody you can talk to who's not really in your life, so it's not going to affect anything, but it just gives you somebody to talk to, let me know. I'll give out an email again, and can feel free to communicate with me, and I'll reply when I can. I'm not a psychologist, psychiatric help person. I'm not a professional. I'm not charging. I'm not doing it full time, so I'll answer when I can, but usually within the same day. And if that's going to help some people out, you know, I just want to put it out there that if you're willing to listen to me, I'm willing to listen to you, and sometimes it's something that's really needed. So even if you're somebody who watches my videos and you're a friend of mine, you know me, the offer still applies to you. If you need somebody to talk to about the stuff going on in your life, because let's face it, life's pretty chaotic this time, or at this point in time, I should say. And sometimes just being able to get out what you need to get out and have somebody on the other end who says, I get it, I'm there, I'm dealing with something similar, helps. So let me know, folks. It's I think it's camwithkelly@gmail.com, but I will confirm what it is if there's any interest in that. Of course, you can always talk in the comments, but that's where other people can see what you say as well. So that's why I'm giving the email offer. So if you're dealing with chronic pain, if you're dealing with mental health issues in your family, for yourself, etc., I know that dealing with my pain is extraordinarily difficult and can be very depressing at times. It's hard to see any type of future at all where I'll be happy, because I'm always moving, I'm always physical, I'm always fixing things. I'm 6'5", I've got an athletic build, you know, I do archery, I used to bike a lot more often, I used to ski every year, I used to do these physical things, and now I'm limited by sore knees and a sore back and chronic pain that sometimes is more than I can bear. So it doesn't help my mental health, as you can imagine. So I get it, I understand. I'm telling you not because I want sympathy, but more that you get that I'm there and I want to help if I can help. So yeah, let me know. It's an offer. Even if you don't want to get into details in the common replies, feel free to just go, I'd love your email, or something simple like that. Nobody's gonna bug you. I'll put out my email, you don't have to give me yours, as I have one that's for YouTube. And yeah, let's help each other out here. The world's a pretty messed up place. People are worse drivers, people are worse neighbors. A lot of people don't even know their neighbors, don't want to know their neighbors. And it's a rough existence right now. So anyways, on to happier things. We're getting some nicer weather finally. But my lawn is still too wet for my John Deere yard tractor, so I had to borrow a friend's electric mower yesterday. And we got a pretty big yard. You guys have seen it. Here, come on, sweetie. So it's did part of it, drained the batteries. Now I got to do more today because I charged overnight. Mirror, look, your sandbox is open, silly. Oh, the rats are back. That should stop him. No. You. That's where you want to be digging. Mirror, right here. Look. Oh, Chloe, be nice. Chloe. Alright, guys. Have a great day. Take care. We'll see you in the next one. I'll put my email in the body, now that I think about it, so you can just check at the body of this like the part where you can write a description, and you'll see my email there. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay healthy. Remember to tell people you love that you love them. We don't say that enough in this day and age. All right, bye.